Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to talk about TCS Ninja hiring. So TCS is going to hire freshers. So if you are a 2022 batch pass out or you have 0 to 2 year of experience, then you can apply for this particular TCS Ninja hiring. Let us first talk about the eligibility criteria. So you should have at least 60% or 6 CGPA in your 10th, 12th and diploma if you have done diploma, and also if you have done graduation and post graduation, then you should have 60% or above, and you should not have more than one active backlog, and you should not have more than 24 months of educational gap. So if you have educational gap, you will have to mention it, and in case you have prior working experience of up to 2 years, then you are still eligible for this TCS Ninja hiring process, and your age should be between 18 to 28 years. And the courses which are eligible are BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc from any of the branches and from any of the colleges. Now as you can see, the test pattern is given here. So first of all, you will have a cognitive skills test in which there will be 3 sections. The first one will be numerical ability, and you will have 40 minutes to solve these questions, and you will get 30 minutes to solve verbal ability questions. Then you have reasoning ability, and you will get 50 minutes to solve this section. So all in all, you have 120 minutes to solve these 3 sections. Then after that, you have programming section. So in programming section, you have programming logic and hands-on coding. So you will get 15 minutes for programming logic and 45 minutes for coding section. And in total, you have 60 minutes to solve this programming section. And if we combine both the sections A and B, so the total time for the test will be 180 minutes. So if you are going to attend this particular test, so the best way to prepare for this exam is to prepare the previous year questions. And if you want to prepare for the previous year questions, then this TCS NQT success pack is for you. So you will get previous 6 year solved papers. The link is given in the description of this video. Do check out. Now let's talk about the registration. So the registration process is very easy. So the registrations will end on the 15th August 2021. And the test will be conducted on 30 August 2021, and the interview date will be announced post the test results. Now let's look at the application process. So the application process is very easy. You just have to log in to the TCS Next portal. You just need to register and apply to this hiring. And if you are a new user, then you need to click on the register now, and you have to choose IT and then fill all the details, and then you can submit the application form and then click on the apply for drive. So this is the process to apply for this particular drive, and you can select any mode of test. You can also give the test on the center and in the remote test, which means you can give the test from your home. In case you need any assistance, you can call them. The toll-free number is given here, and the email ID is also given here. So you can just contact them in case you find any difficulty while applying. And if you have more questions regarding this, so you can read these frequently asked questions. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.